Today, we are finally making my very first raised flower bed, and we're going to be doing every step of the process today. We are first going to cut down the tree. We're second going to saw the tree up on the sawmill and turn it into dimensional lumber, and then we're going to obviously build the raised bed, and then we're going to plant my strawberries in it. James just cut down the tree. This right here is the cedar tree that we will be using. That was a very big cedar tree. Actually, it really wasn't that big, but it fell kind of hard. Anyway, here it is. We're gonna pull it out. Now he's going back to get the other part of that tree that we cut down, because he cut the long trunk into two pieces. Got both of the logs out here to the mill. Let's mill them up. Got the lumber.
Oh, that's good. We got 6 1x5s, 1x5.5s, and we got some little posts here we'll put in the corners. So those are 2.5 by 2.5.
Over here in this area, we're going to kind of flatten it out, and that's where the strawberry patch and the raised garden bed is going to be. And over here is where the berry patch is, and that's where the side of the house is. So that's going to be the location. It's actually kind of flat. This is a really steep hill, but for whatever reason, right there is kind of flat. So we're going to flatten it out more and then build it.
Spike.
Hold it still, you're wiggling it. There you go. He cut the corners off to make it kind of like a spike so we can drive it into the ground. Beautiful.
Level.
Level. These are seriously so easy to build. So then all you do is put that board on there and screw it in place.
Okay.
It's done. And look at my strawberry plants. They are just flourishing. I've got them in. It's been about a month now. When I put them in here, they were only like 1/2-inch tall plants. And now you can tell they're spreading out. They've got new root systems coming in. They look great. And we did get a bunch of strawberries off these, surprisingly. The first year I had the strawberries in my raised bed, we got a lot of strawberries off of them. So anyway, this raised garden bed was really easy to make. We love it, and it turned out really nice.